a pandemic, nothing straightforward, and obviously we've seen advice and health advice given to government. That's changed too. So obviously there's going to be changes throughout, and this is no different now. We've had to change where we thought we might be in December. We've seen an uptick in cases over the last number of weeks, and that's what has landed us here. But the booster campaign is a very essential part to that. We've seen its effectiveness in Israel, and in the short time that the booster campaign is rolled out in the UK, and I think we'll see something very similar here over the next couple of weeks.
Are supplies in place? Is there a plan in place? Is it going to be ramped up without any problem then?
Yeah, there is a plan in place already. The GPs and pharmacists are being drafted in again. We've done this before. We've done it very successfully. We've 93% of our population vaccinated, one of the best in Europe. Other countries across Europe have looked to Ireland. I think we should, recognise we did something very well, and it has been recognised across Europe. I think we need to do it here, and I think the booster campaign is no different. There's no secret to this, and I think the over 80s have near enough been done. I think 81,000 of our healthcare workers have been given their boosters, and now there's a cohort from 16 to 59 of people who have underlying health conditions. They'll be offered boosters, as well as those over 50. So the plans are well underway. The stocks are good, and I think we can do this once again.